Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall MetaQuest Link software on Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall MetaQuest Link software on your Windows computer, start by closing the program. Ensure that the MetaQuest Link is not running in the background. Next, click on the Windows Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, navigate to the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program under the Programs and Features category. In the list of installed programs, scroll down to find MetaQuest Link. Click on MetaQuest Link to select it. After selecting the program, click on the Uninstall button that appears at the top of the list. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to uninstall the software. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments to complete. Once the process is finished, a confirmation message will appear noting that the software has been successfully removed. You can now close the control panel. For a clean uninstallation, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Check to ensure that the MetaQuest Link folder has been removed from your system. To do this, go to the File Explorer and navigate to C:\program files. In this directory, look for a folder named Your MetaQuest Link software has now been fully uninstalled from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.